Portal Optimizer Replacement. Today we're going to go ahead and replace an optimizer on the portal. And the quickest and easiest way to get this done is by clicking Admin. After we go to Admin, we're going to go ahead and click on Logical Layout. Now once we get into the logical layout, what we're going to do is we're going to select our optimizer over on the left hand side. We can do this by clicking on the inverter, expanding it with a little plus symbol over on the left hand side, doing the same for the string that we'd like, and then selecting our optimizer. After we select our optimizer, we're going to look up at the top of the list and we're going to click that replace button. That's going to bring up a little dialog down here where we can enter in the new serial number of our replacement optimizer. After we do that, we'll go ahead and click save, and we're done. All we need to do is just go back, refresh on the layout page, and verify that everything's taken. We'll see you next time in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.